Yo, welcome to the show. It's your boy Elias here, back with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is about how to make a sprite move using WASD and arrow keys in Scratch. So in Scratch, you'd want to make your character move because if it can't move, you have to make it go to in the middle or whatever. But today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your character move using arrow keys and WASD. So first of all, you want to go to Events and drag in a 1 green flag click block. And then go to Control, drag in a forever loop, and put 4 ifs in the forever loop. And 4. And then the next thing you want to do, go to Operators and drag in 4 ORs in the diamond-shaped holes. And don't drag in ends, okay? Because if you drag in an end block, then it won't work, this code. And the next thing you want to do is go to Sensing and drag in these key space pressed blocks and put them in the diamond-shaped holes, except I've already got mine. So first start with the arrow keys, so up, down, right and left, and then go WSDA. Great. So now that we've done that, the next thing you want to do is go to Motion, scroll down a little bit, and there are these change X and change Y by blocks. So first for up and down, you want to do the change Y blocks and put them in there. And so you do this because Y is up and down and X is left and right. So for up, change Y by 3. Down, change Y by -3. And same thing for right and left, change X by 3 and change X by -3. Okay, so now that we've done that, so it's gonna move. So done. It's pretty cool. But if you animate it, the cat sprite or whatever sprite you have, then follow this step, otherwise you can just end the video. Go to Looks, and under every change Y by, under every change X by block, put in a next costume block. This is really important if you have animated your sprite. Now let's see it. So every time you move, press up and down, left and right, or WASD, it's going to animate your sprite. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, folks. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure to click that like button and make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So that's gonna do it for today. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you later. Bye.